Glide effortlessly along the steps of your deck, porch, or lake access with the Bruno Elite Outdoor Straight Stairlift. Designed to endure harsh weather, the Elite delivers year-round performance, a 400-pound lift capacity, and a smooth, quiet ride. Operating a Bruno Elite Outdoor is easy. Just sit down, click the retractable seat belt, and push the armrest control. The Stairlift does the work of climbing the stairs for you. When you reach the top, pull the lever, and the seat swivels up to 90 degrees and locks in place, so you can exit the Stairlift a safe distance from the stairs. If the Bruno Elite encounters an obstruction on the stairs, the safety sensors will gently stop the Stairlift. And since the Bruno Elite is battery operated, you can rest assured it will work even in a power outage. Bruno's narrow vertical rail maintains maximum open space on your steps, and the covered gear rack gives it a sleek appearance. When the Stairlift is not in use, fold the arms, seat, and footrest to create a compact profile to save even more space. Performance tested for extreme climates, the Elite Outdoor Curved Stairlift features weather-resistant materials, including marine-grade vinyl, outdoor paint-on steel surfaces, and a lightweight cover. A second Stairlift user can bring the Stairlift up or down the rail with a wireless call-send remote. A cover is also provided to protect your Stairlift when not in use. Made in the USA, Bruno's Elite Outdoor Straight Stairlift gives you the freedom to enjoy being outside again. Learn more by visiting Bruno.com.